wanted to know the background without making any substantive orders in this matter, except on the issue of representation. So even as you address me, Mr. Katwa, again, and Mr. Theuri, Mr. Kori, I'm not making any substantive orders.
Other than that,
other than the only thing I'll tell you is to come back for mention when I would have gone through the file, and then I can now give you proper direction.
You're right. Also, kindly register my exceptions to the kind of the aspersions he cast on us, because he's very quick to raise his objections.
My lady, I just want
maybe they were just on a light note. This is a heavy matter for all of you.
Of course, I take exception very clearly against Mr. President. I voted for him. I don't know why he's attacking me. He's attacking me. But my lady, number one, Mr. Theuri is mistaken. I actually have filed an application for engender. I have filed an application for maintenance of the workers. He's mistaken on that. Number two, my lady, the parties who have filed these petitions are not our surrogates.
I can't think it should allow me to address finish because I'm appearing virtually.
Finish in a minute.
But not casting aspersions on me.
Don't talk ill of your voter. He's your voter. Please be lenient to him.
I know, and myself and Mr. King actually have even a greater relationship than that of a voter and a relationship. But maybe I was basically saying that I thought that was a very important point for me to make. But secondly, that we have filed applications that actually address those issues at the appropriate time. As you retire and go through the files and get all the proceedings, you'll be able to see that these are issues that we have already raised in our previous. With that, I hope that now my colleague, Mr. Kato Kiken, will hold the horses so that at least we can go for lunch. The sugar levels are also going up. It may contribute to our appearing to be more agreeable than the clients as the case is now coming to me. Thank you, Melody, for that and that. I really appreciate it.
So, as I had already informed Council at the onset of these proceedings, the court will not be engaged in any in issuing any substantive orders except the issue I handled earlier involving the representation of one of the petitioners, Jared Mairurura Ratemo, which the court has dealt with. The court appreciates the submissions made by counsel regarding the background of the case and what transpired before the other courts. There is the issue of whether orders should be extended or not. At the point that I am in, I'm not in a position to extend any orders or to deal with a file that is not before me. If there are orders in that file, then they'll speak for themselves.